I don't know how many more tropical dive vacations my wallet can take, but this Grand Caymans trip in early October was definitely worth it. It featured some awesome diving in the beautiful warm waters of the Caribbean. And additionally, I got to dive with a bunch of people from the Santa Barbara Aquatics dive shop. The people on this trip, I think, really made it special for me. I've been on trips around the world, and I think what you really realize is that while the ocean is beautiful, it's also the company that you keep. Luckily, on this trip, we got along great with everyone. Everyone was really friendly, good divers, better people. It was all around just a really amazing showcase of what the Caribbean has to offer. There were a couple standouts for me though, and the first one was earlier in the week, which was the Kiddie Wake. Now this is a 250-foot long shipwreck that you can actually swim through. It was a little disorienting for sure. Like I remember when we first swam into the Kiddie Wake, which is actually turned on its side, and so your eyes, your body are telling you two different things, which causes vertigo, and you like feel dizzy, you feel like you're like starting to spin a little bit. I just kind of instinctively trusted my body to know which way was up and which way was down. Another activity that we did, which was a little bit out of the ordinary for me at least, was Stingray City, which is like a stingray feeding site just out on a sandbar on the outer edge of the island. And it was wild. You would have like 10, 15, maybe even 20 stingrays circling the group at any one time, and they're wild. They got the barbs out. Like the guides do a really good job about telling you shuffle your feet. One trend with the stingrays is to like kiss them. I think you get like 7 years of good luck. So between our group, lots of years of good luck. They are very slimy. You also get to feed the stingray, which is pretty cool. There's like a suction action that they have. We're feeding them some squid. And yeah, if you stick your thumb out and they like chomp down on it, they'll give you like a little stingray hickey. But as far as I can tell, they don't have any teeth that can do real damage to you. So you're in good hands there at least.